Recognize real when I write this. Never do it like this. Rap pack be the hypest. Goddamn, can you feel it? Hold up, motherfucker, let me kill it. Run it back like that. Got your back like cop rope rat. Hit you with the gat like brat. Not never.
What's up guys, it's Jesus here back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a little install on the BMW. Got some fog lights. So to install the fog lights, all you gotta do is just pull it down, like the grill. There's a little flap right here so you can reach for the bulb. And you just twist it to the left. And there you go. Here's the old light bulb. And then just put a new one on there. Inside. And yeah, just close it up. They do the same thing with the other side. Yeah, just like that. Slide your hand in there and just like pull it out, twist it, remove it. You just gotta unclip it. Twist it, close this up, put the grill back on. This is how they look at night with the fog lights on and with them off. So it makes a really big difference. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.